Here I have OPPO F9 Pro. Let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the browser right here, and here let's tap the following menu key. Here you need to find and select settings. From settings, let's scroll down and choose here clear data. So if you would like to clear input data, history, cached web pages, account passcode, cache data, cookies, app call blocking, and location authorization, let's tick all of them and choose clear data. Tap clear selected data, and that's it. You just cleared your data successfully. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.